Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today mag-unbox tayo at mag-hands-on ng latest smartphone ni Infinix, and it's the Infinix Hot 10. So, what is with this smartphone? Well, first we got here a Helio G70 chipset, which is powerful enough for most budget smartphones. We also got here 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, and of course we got here a 6.78-inch HD Plus display, a 16 plus 2 plus 2 plus AI quad camera setup at the back, and an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. And yes, we got here everything that you need. Then of course we got here 5,200 mAh of battery and Android 10. So yes, this one is quite interesting. Infinix is not new. Medyo matagal na rin sila sa Pilipinas, and they offer a lot of interesting smartphones in their lineup. So time to unbox this one and let's see what we can expect sa Infinix Hot 10. Alright, so time to unbox this one. Okay, so medyo affordable siya. I believe below 8,000 pesos lang siya. So it's really affordable, and as you can see here, we got here the smartphone. It's quite big. Again, it's a 6.78-inch na display on a smartphone though. So that's quite large, especially for its price range. And then yeah, we got here the main features. Oh, laglag. The G70, the 5,200 mAh of battery, and the 6.78-inch display. So time to turn this on and let's see kung ano ba ma-expect natin dito. Okay, so aside from that, we also got here a time-limited drop. So this one comes with this time-limited drop. I got a coupon inside. I got a PUBG Mobile Lite na redeemable code. So I believe there's a freebie that comes whenever I buy the Infinix Hot 10, which is cool. Okay, but I believe the Infinix Hot 10 can handle more demanding games kasi nga G70 is known to be on the budget segment, but it can run games and applications na hindi lang nando sa light version like this one. And since we got 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, I believe we can install a lot dito sa smartphone na to. Okay, so let's proceed. We also got here the manual. Of course, hindi complete a smartphone na to without the jelly case. There's a free screen protector too, pero hindi siya nakalagay dito. So, I believe wala siyang included na screen protector dito. So, you need to install that one manually if wala pa dito sa Infinix Hot 10 nyo. We also got here the earphones, the 10 watts na charger, and the micro USB to USB-A cable. So, you already know what's inside the box of the Infinix Hot 10. Now, it's time na alamin natin kung ano ba meron sa smartphone to. So, tara, samahan niyo ako and alamin natin kung ano ba meron dito sa Infinix Hot 10. Alright, so you're looking at the Infinix Hot 10, and as you can see in here, we got here a large display. This one is quite big. We got here 6.78-inch display. However, it's only at HD+, so it's not as sharp as you might think compared to other smartphones. But so for me naman, okay na naman ako dito. The viewing angles are just fine. It's just that the resolution of the smartphone is only at HD+. So yeah, it's not that much. Okay, so you already know the 6.78-inch display. We also got here yung 8 megapixel front-facing camera over here. It's a punch hole camera, so medyo malinis siya tignan. And the bezel is quite fine. It's not that thick, and I'm pretty happy with what we can see dito sa smartphone na to. And as you can see also, we got here a heavily skinned na UI for the Infinix Hot 10. Okay, before we proceed, let's check out what we can expect sa smartphone na to when it comes to hardware. Okay, on the right, we got here the power button and also the volume rocker. And yeah, despite having a large body, medyo madali naman siya hawakan thanks to the curves at the side. And of course, it's very comfortable to use naman. However, as you can see in here, it's made up of plastic. So overall, it's really plastic dito sa smartphone na to. It's not that bad, pero yeah, ramdam na ramdam mo na plastic siya, okay? It's not the most solid na pagdating sa mga plastic. So you already know that, okay, this is a budget smartphone. But the design naman is quite fine. We also got here yung parang design na nagre-refract, depende dun sa lighting condition. And as you can see in here, we got here the fingerprint scanner, the quad camera setup over here. So the quad camera setup actually isn't protruding. So unlike other smartphones, this 2020, hindi protruding yung camera natin dito. Below, we got here a micro USB port, a headphone jack, and also the speaker grill. So nothing much to see aside doon, but yeah, overall, it's made up of plastic. And hindi naman nakakaanoy, pero Yeah, it's made up of plastic. Yun lang talaga yung comment ko doon. And some people kasi doesn't like plastic, pero yeah, you have to compromise when it comes sa kanyang hardware para magkamit tayo ng affordable price. But still, meron powerful na chips sa loob like the G70, 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. Okay, so I told you before na meron tayong front-facing camera dito sa smartphone na to. It's an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. But here's the unique thing about the smartphone. We got here actually a front-facing camera. So turn on the flash. There we go. We got two dual LED it's dual LED front-facing flash for the Infinix Hot 10. So kahit na madilim, meron kayong lighting. And the thing in here is that despite having that, mapapansin nyo, okay, hindi nyo halata na may flash sa smartphone na to. You can barely see the flash dito sa smartphone. Actually, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin kita. Kanina lang nung nag-selfie ako, saka ko lang nakita na, okay, we got here a dual selfie flash on the smartphone, which is really cool. But before we get down to the camera, let's talk about the software na meron tayo dito sa camera. So, this one is, again, is heavily skinned. So, we got here short video. If you want to take short video, which is perfect sa mga Instagram or TikTok nyo. We got video over here, and of course, it's up to 2K. Surprisingly, meron tayong 2K video recording on this smartphone, so hindi lang 1080p. We also got here the AI cam, which is basically the main camera, beauty cam, portrait camera, and the AR shot if you want to, you know, use the AR sa smartphone na to. So we also got here the other mode. So as you can see in here, ayan, we got here the bokeh, super night, panorama, documents, AI cam, and everything. So there's a lot of things that we can see in the camera of the smartphone, but how about the shots that we took using the Infinix Hot 10? Oh, okay, so you've seen some of the shots na kinuha natin dito with the Infinix Hot 10. And as you can see, it's not the best that I've seen, even for its price range. So yes, may flash naman tayo dito, which is yun yung talaga nagdadala for the selfie camera. But overall, the camera isn't the best one that we have seen on this smartphone. Now, let's talk about the software that we can expect dito. So as you can see in here, we got here the XOS. We got the XOS launcher. You can see in here swiping to the left. We can see in here the different widgets and everything. So basically similar to other Chinese smartphones. We got here the home screen. Ayan, we got here a lot of pre-installed applications. I didn't install any applications yet. But you can see in here na, okay, ang daming applications na kasama sa smartphone na to. So you might be asking, Kano kalaki yung kinakain sa 128 gig na storage natin dito? Okay, so let's see kung ilan yung kinain sa storage ng mga naka-include na applications dito sa smartphone na to. So there's 113 gigs of available storage. We still got here a decent amount of RAM. And hindi pa naman ganun kalaki yung kinakain ng RAM despite na marami tayong naka-install na application. So yeah, I guess okay lang naman since it's 128. It's not 64, so medyo generous naman si Infinix pagdating sa storage dito sa smartphone na to. Okay, so let's check out these applications na meron tayo dito. Here's the thing. Pag nandito tayo sa home screen, okay, fine. We got here different applications. We got the cleaner over here. We got the power management. We got DTS sound. We got here weather, we got here the themes, we got here a lot of applications, okay? But when we go to the app drawer, as you can see in here, we got instant apps. So parang meron tayong ad na lumalabas dito. So for me, it's annoying that we got here some yung mga apps na instant applications that nakasama dito. Ayan, so we got to download it. Which is annoying for me kasi it's possible na baka kung ano ng applications pa yung lumabas in the future for that. But I wouldn't complain. I mean, it's something na naka-include talaga dito. So, kung ano man yung lumabas dito, wala na tayong magagawa nun. But, ang kina-complain ko is, meron tayong gantong app drawer with those parang ads na applications na lumalabas. But yeah, we got here a lot of pre-installed applications. We got AI Gallery, AHA Games, Boomplay. I'm not sure what Boomplay is. Okay, so, I think this is, okay, monthly subscription, Boomplay coins. Let's see if we can uninstall. We can uninstall naman some of them. We got pre-installed games then like Danger Dash, We got pre-installed applications that I don't think na kailangan nyo, like Carl Care, Jumping Zoo, ayan, mga pre-installed games. We got Messenger, and of course, we got PUBG Mobile Lite in here. Katulad sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong freebie na kasama when you buy the Infinix Hot 10 na voucher para sa PUBG Mobile Lite. So yeah, if you're gonna buy this smartphone, if you don't like a lot of applications pre-installed, just uninstall it if you don't want it. But yeah, we got here a heavily skinned na XOS sa Infinix Hot 10. So yeah guys, that's it dito sa unboxing and hands-on natin na smartphone na to. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of the latest videos here at my YouTube channel. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching. See you guys again sa susunod na video.